Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Jenny Angelita Andres. I am 45 years old, high school graduate, married with 6 kids. Ages 27 years old, 24, 21, 17, 13, and 8 years old. My height is 154 centimeter and my weight is 60 kilogram. I worked in Hong Kong before for more than 5 years. I do household chores like cleaning, cooking, marketing, washing, car washing, and tutoring. I know also how to take care of a baby, to bath them, feed them, and change their diaper. I am also hardworking, trustworthy, loyalty, patient, and lovable. And I know how to cook a Chinese food. For my prospective employer, I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities and follow of your rules and regulation. Thank you and God bless.